Greetings everyone, this is Random Joets. I'm going to unbox this TCG Lugia Plasma box. I'm going to show you what I have, like, just for the fun of it. Yeah, it's gotta be something in it, right? Something, yeah, wait for a while, open it. So yeah, so here it is, I'll show you everything on it. Now the underside, you can read it, just pause. So let's open it, hang on a sec. Okay. I'm not gonna show you, just so you know Lugia my favorite. I play Pokemon Soul Silver. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest is empty shell. Okay, so let's do this one. Hopefully there's something good. Flu, yeah, horrible fix. Crocodile, I think it's shiny. And we got a skunk tank. Fluffy, so fluffy. Neat. Next one. Enchanting, Hanya, Retata, Primer, Inverse, I think, Peppertop, Comet size array, Sweet Coffee Polygon, Stavia, and Lantern. Please forgive me, this is my first time making an unboxing video, so yeah. I wonder if I eat or something. Hopefully I got idiots. Got matcha, sock, yeah, sock. Snowbird, Lapras, Ariana thing, Inverse Professor Juniper, Ezra, cool, Octavia, seems interesting, Laura, silver banger. Okay, interesting. Hopefully there's something in this pack. Lugia. This sock. With that, yeah, that's about it. Not bad, I say, Polo, Providing the shiny crocodile, some texture on it, funny little color texture, but it's legendary. And I'll get Polo in my eeveening. Oh yeah, one more thing, so have fun everyone. I wanted to have EX, but I got shiny, so yeah, why not shiny? And yeah, as usual, like, subscribe, comment, yeah. Oh, one more thing. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, it's evening. Based on the clock. Evening. Night. Thanks for watching.